In this video, I will be telling you about how to install Proton VPN on Firestick. So without any further ado, let's just begin. Alright, so here as you can see, basically to install your Proton VPN on a Firestick, you're going to be needing to head over to, first of all, Proton VPN official site. And once you're there, you need to click onto this download option. You can see. So once we drop down this option, you can see we have downloaded for the Fire Stick, so we can easily get it done. You can see, simply click onto this option and just hold on a minute. You can see we have the official link. So it does come with different paid plans. Now before we begin forward towards the video, I'm gonna be highlighting that you can get up to 64% off on your paid plans on Proton VPN if you simply use Proton VPN using the link below. That is going to be helping you out, so make sure to give a try to that, because Proton VPN is providing you a lot of value, and if you get 64% off, it is going to be a really good offer to avail. So that's how you can get it for Firestick. You can see in the downloads we have it for Firestick. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.